Hi, this is Penny. I am a huge fan of Dutch ovens, and this is a Dutch oven that I've tried for quite a while with a very affordable price tag comparing to other Dutch ovens I own. Dutch ovens are basically cast iron coated with enamel outside and inside. So yes, it is very heavy in this 6-quart size. You can fit in a roast chicken without any problem. It's very easy to clean and it's supposed to be non-stick if you take care of it. The design is very classic and the color is beautiful. So this is the lid. Darker red outside and lighter red. The knob. Here's the brand. And this is the enamel inside of the pot. Nice handle, easy to hold. When I first got this, I washed it with soapy water and dried it. I heated the pot and coated with oil. I find it helpful to make it non-stick that way. The pot can be used from the oven to the stovetop and it looks presentable on the kitchen counter and dining table. I find it very effective for boiling and frying. It is also super easy to clean. I like to soak it with water. After it cools off, everything comes off easily. I've also tried baking bread and my loaves came out perfectly. I'm happy with the size. I could fit in roast chicken easily. When you cook for a big family, it is easy to overflow and this size is enough for all my needs. This gorgeous piece looks so good in my kitchen. I've left it out on the stove for a couple of weeks now, but enjoying looking at it. If you're on the fence, let me just tell you this. You need Dutch ovens in your life. And this is a very nice product if you don't want to spend hundreds of dollars on one pot. It's pretty hard to go wrong with purchasing one of these.